One of the interesting things, and I know that it's been the subject of a lot of memes and videos from a a comedic angle based on these things that he's been saying, the way he's been answering questions, his behavior in the courtroom. I can see the humor in it, but as a criminal defense attorney, I take my profession seriously. I don't like when people disrespect the court, disrespect the process. And the biggest thing is disrespecting the jury. When you have a group of 12 people, and sometimes you might have 16 people, because you in a case like that, you'll definitely have alternates. And I don't know how many alternates they have, but I would imagine, just given the length of the trial and what's at stake, they probably have a significant number of alternates. And so those people are taking time out of their lives. And this is, even more so than in your regular case. Like you might have in just like your run of the mill case, your trial might go 3 days. Every day that somebody is away from their family or away from their job or away from whatever it is that they like to do, away from school, and coming in and fulfilling their civic obligation and sitting down for a trial, you really want to be mindful and respectful of their time. There's no time for antics and silliness and apart from that, just disrespecting courtroom proceedings. I'm not really for the antics. That's what he's been doing, and he's been playing with these DAs. And I think it's crazy because, again, that's supposed to be their star witness. And if right out the gate, if you're not even answering your age, if the DA is having problems dragging out the age out of their star witness, you can just imagine how clunky this direct examination has gone. That can tend to be the experience of defense attorneys, when the prosecution, because the prosecution has the burden of proof, right? So they're putting on all their witnesses, and we end up having to cross-examine witnesses, and cops play games with you, right? Cops are professional witnesses, and they know how to play games and be manipulative and all of that. So we have to deal with these type of things. But usually when the DA is putting on one of their own witnesses, it shouldn't go down like that, right? And that is something that they probably should have taken into consideration in deciding to move forward with this case, and banking on him as a star witness.